This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Aria 4000 is a Class A RV. It is located in Las Vegas, Nevada, 89121 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Las Vegas. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features a CAMBRIA interior, sleeps 9, slide-out, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, 2 full baths. This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Aria 4000 is built on a Freightliner XC-R chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.